Some tips for a successful lap band diet. If you've been contemplating assistive surgery to help with a weight loss issue, you've probably come across with a lap band. And if you've done any research into it, you know that it functions as an aid to a proper diet and exercise routine by limiting the amount of food you take in and by slowing the digestion, resulting in a feeling of fullness for a longer period of time. However, you might be wondering if there is a specific lap band diet that you should follow. After all, a lap band device is something that is unique. You might be thinking that the diet you're currently on can be used, so long as it is not a highly restrictive diet such as Atkins. This would be a fair assumption. That said, the specific components of a proper lap band diet are suspiciously similar to a regular one, but that I mean that you will need to eat healthy. You cannot have this procedure and just eat high-fat, high-carbohydrate foods. For though you may eat less, you will do your body no favors by sticking with such a diet. Discipline here is the key. You want to have salads that you enjoy, proper serving of vegetables and fruits, as well as homemade meals. Why the emphasis of homemade, you ask? You can just as easily pick up something quick from the grocery store, right? Yes, of course you can. But when starting out on a lap band diet, you need to be conscious of what goes into anything you may want to grab quickly at the store. Take a look the next time you go for prepared meat instead of fresh daily cuts, for instance. You will find things in there that you cannot pronounce and probably have never heard of in the first place. A good rule of thumb is, if you can pronounce it, it probably isn't the best choice. That said, buying health food can get quite expensive, especially since you're already undergoing the lap band procedure. So is there a solution? You bet there is. One of the best ways to eat healthy and naturally for your lap band diet while still keeping a roof over your head is to go to your local farmer's market. Or if you don't have one in town, check to find the one closest to you. A farmer's market is exactly what it sounds like. Farmers and artisans bring their naturally grown foods to sell. Unlike health food stores or the organic section of your supermarket, you can get the proper food you need at a decent price, as there is no fancy packaging nor employee overhead to help pay for. Finally, a couple of things that need to be avoided in the lap band diet are carbonated drinks and sugary foods such as chocolate bars, cookies, etc. In the case of sugary foods, they increase your caloric intake, which is counterproductive. In the case of carbonated drinks, beer is included here. Unfortunately, they have no nutritional value and break down things your body needs, such as vitamins. A lap band diet is something that is not difficult to create or stick to, provided you use some common sense when it comes to shopping. And as always, shop around for the best quality foods you can find. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.